Hello students, we start our subject Unit 1, Lesson 1, Computer System. Let us learn about computer system, computer hardware, computer software and features of a computer. Do you remember students? Write I for input, O for output and S for storage devices. First O for output. Second scanner is input. Pen drive is storage for S. Keyboard is input device for I. Mouse is input device for I. And CD, full name is compact disc, is the storage device for S. Okay. Computer system. The computer system is one that has the ability to take inputs, process them and produce output. It consists of two main components, हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. यानी कि कंप्यूटर दो भागों में बटा हुआ है, हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर. कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर किसे कहते हैं? तो जिसे हम टच कर सके और देख सके. देखते ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर दैट वी कैन सी एंड टच आर कॉल्ड हार्डवेयर. In the other words, hardware are the physical parts. The visible hardware units of a computer system are input, output, processing and storage. Okay students? Now we learn about input devices. An input device is a computer hardware unit which takes input from users and feeds it into the computer. There are many input devices, some of which are described below. Keyboard. It is the most common input device which has many keys through which we feed input into the computer. Mouse. A mouse is an input device which has two or more buttons on it. It is used to interact with pictures, programs and icons on a computer desktop. A mouse is also used to select, drag and drop objects by pointing and clicking buttons. हमने पिछले साल यूज किया था ना? Yes or no? Yes. Scanner. A scanner is like a photocopy machine which copies text or images into a computer from paper. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing input device. It has a layer which can move in any direction. It is also known as two or more buttons on it. It is used for playing games. It is your favorite device. Output devices. An output device is a computer hardware which gives us the result for the output. There are many output devices, some of which described below. Monitor. A monitor is an output device which looks like a television set, यानी कि टेलीविजन की तरह दिखता है, जिसे कहते हैं monitor. It works with a video card located inside the computer's case. It displays images and text on the screen. Understand boys and girls? Now we go and learn about printer. Printers come in many shapes and sizes. This device prints text and pictures on paper. It can print the data in black and white or in color. Printers are many types such as dot matrix, laser, inkjet, etc. In large organizations, laser printers are most commonly used because they can print very fast and produce very high quality output. प्रिंटर तीन तरह के होते हैं, डॉट मैट्रिक्स, लेजर और इंकजेट. बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज जैसे रिलायंस, टाटा, ओके, बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज अच्छे आउटपुट के लिए ये प्रिंटर यूज करती है. कौन सा वाला? लेजर प्रिंटर. स्पीकर्स. स्पीकर्स आर अटैच्ड टू योर कंप्यूटर टू गेट ऑडियो आउटपुट. वी कैन हियर साउंड्स एंड म्यूजिक थ्रू स्पीकर्स. Let us do list any three input and output devices other than those given your book. Okay. First, I give answer. First is mouse input, keyboard input, and joystick input. And our output devices is printer, speakers, and monitor. Okay. B. Given below are some devices. Sort them into input or output. First, digital camera, input and output both. Barcode reader, input. Projector, output. Microphone, input. MICR, magnetic ink character reader, input and output both. Okay. Processing device. CPU is the processing device. There are various components inside the CPU, which included motherboard, hard disk drive, and CD. Motherboard. A motherboard, also known as a main board or system board, is printer circuit board that holds many other small electronic components. Hard disk drive. It is a fixed storage device which is used to store and retrieve information. CD-ROM drive. The CD-ROM drive, also known as an optical drive, is a device which is used to read the CD-ROM. Now we go our page number 4. Storage devices. Okay. There are various storage devices that you can attach with a computer to store data and increase its storage capacity. CDs, DVDs, and pen drives are clear examples. Computer software. Software is a set of programs or instructions that has a computer for to do. There are two types of software application. First is application software and second is system software. Do you know, students? CDs and DVDs and floppy disks and pen drive are storage devices, but they act as both input and output devices. Application software is the type of program that is designed to solve a specific task. For example, word puzzling programs, spreadsheets, and database software and MS Paint. Word processing programs, Microsoft Word, Lotus Word Pro, Word Perfect. Do you know, students? Hardware and software are interdependent. One is useless without the other. यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे के बिना नहीं चल सकते. Now we learn about page number 5. Spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel and Lotus 123. Databases, Microsoft Access and Lotus Approach. Do you know, students? A plotter is an output device similar to a printer. The difference between the two is that a plotter draws using a pen, while printer prints closely spaced series of dots. They were used to print large images and make banners, charts and posters, etc. They have now been replaced with conventional printers. यानी कि हमारे जो एसएस के मैप्स होते हैं या कोई आपके घर के मैप्स होते हैं, उसको अगर हमें प्रिंट करना है तो प्रिंटर पर नहीं हो सकता. एसएस का मैप में गुजरात का मैप, इंडिया का मैप या पूरे वर्ल्ड का मैप अगर हमें प्रिंट करना है तो हम प्लॉटर में प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. System software manages and controls a computer system. It acts as an interface between user and the hardware. Now we go for page number 6. For example, operating system, Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. And we give time to answer. Answer the following question. I give answer also. Okay. These are the physical parts of a computer. Answer is monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, etc. This software manages and controls a computer system. Answer is system software. These are the instructions that tells a computer system what to do. Answer is software. This type of software is designed to solve a specific task. Answer is application software. It is also known as printed circuit board. Answer is motherboard. Now we learn about features of a computer. A computer has many features that make it basically a special machine. Computers work very fast. They do millions of calculations and computers in seconds. A computer never gets tired or bored. It follows all the instructions with the same speed and accuracy. A computer can store a large amount of data. A computer does not make mistakes. A computer is a versatile machine. It can perform many different tasks at the same time. Now we go page number 7 and learn last topic. Now I know. There are two main components of a computer system, hardware and software. Hardware are those parts which we can feel and touch. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, etc. Software is a set of instructions tell a computer what to do. System software manages and controls the hardware of a computer system. Application software is the type of program that you use once the operating system has been loaded. A computer can store a large amount of data. The computer accepts all the data as input and processes it to provide information as output. A computer is a versatile machine which can perform many activities at the same time. If you have any confusion or doubt, learn now I know 2 times loudly. Okay? Thank you.